Or something happened that shouldn't have happened. I pulled on this and this had been worked on before and it snapped through the mat. Everyone, and welcome on my channel. And today, finally the video, I will put the LED reverse light bulbs in my beloved town car. I moved the town car a little bit out of its garage here, as you could see, and I already did some work just now so that I'm prepared and can show you guys exactly step by step how to put those bulbs in. So I put one bulb already in on this side here. And let's look what we got here. I put the AUXITO bulb LED light in this bulb, in this housing here. And this side I had some old cheapo LEDs that I put in a long time ago. I think 10 years ago I put those on. And back then I thought that would be a good idea, but they weren't very good. But since it's so tricky to put those in, and you'll see why, I never took them back out. So today we will put the other side in and I'll show you exactly how it works. And before we do that, we'll turn the car on so we can see it before and after shot. All right, so let's do that. And yeah, I'm surprised how bright they are, and I will see what you guys will say. And I haven't done it with both. I just looked at one earlier when the bulb was out. I haven't seen it in the housing like this, so this will be new for me as well. Let's get in the town car. By the way, this car was parked here for quite a while and it started right up. Okay, parking brake on and put it in reverse. And I know that's very smart to do because the car could roll, but I do trust my car. And we have this door that will hold it. Because I know that will be bent if that happens, but still, look at that difference there. See that? This one here is kind of dim, this one here very, very bright. And I hear the sensors beep in the car there. See that? I'll look a couple of angles. Yeah, I think that's a pretty significant difference. I'm not sure the camera captures it, but this one here, the new one, blinds me. This one does definitely not blind me. So, good job. Let's turn the lights off. It's hard to see, hard to tell right now. Okay, I better get in here and hit the brake. There, hit the brake, put it in park, and turn the vehicle off. Because now we'll put the second one in. So I'll show you guys how that works. There goes my bulbs. I had them sitting there. Talk about not being smart. Here. This one here will probably go in the garbage. So, okay. This is a tricky thing to do. See this cover here? You have to pull that out, and there's a thing here that holds it on. You have to pull that out, and then you can't get it far, so you have to push your hands in here. And now you have to push your hand in here to reach this green tap there, this green plug. Let me get a light. I don't have my big light here now, so let me get a cell phone flashlight here. Hold on. Okay, here we go. See that? This green plug there, and there's a little tab on the side. Hold on, there you go. There's a little tab on the side And when you push that on the side, that tap there, you see it? Then, most cases, it breaks off. You know, it just snaps right off. And that's what Fort Boss Me said in his video too. So what I did, I just turned half a turn on the whole socket and pulled the bulb out with the wires on it. And then I put the new one in, so I didn't mess with the tap. Okay, enough with that. We'll go on the other side and take that apart and see how that works. See, now I can't get that back on here. This is quality-wise not the best, you know, with these cars. This side here, look at this. There's nothing to hold it. Is there? I don't see anything. Or maybe it is pushed in. It might be pushed in. You can get my phone. It's all the way in here. Why? I don't know. Oh yeah, look at that. It went underneath the mat. So I have to pry that out first. And then we'll open it up and I'll show you what to do. So let me get my tools. I have a pry tool. Get that out and I'll show you what we do, okay? So I'll be right back. Okay, and of course something happened that shouldn't have happened. I pulled on this and this had been worked on before and it snapped through the mat. Yeah, and I tried to pull this tab out. See it here? And the light again. It's too dark here. It's unfortunate that that's so dark. So this tab here, you see it now? I can't get it out. I don't know why I can't get it out. Now, anyways, here's the other plug for the light bulb, and you can pull that tab and pull the plug off. That's one way to do it, or you just unscrew the whole thing and get the bulb out, and that's what I'm gonna do. And I'll do that putting my light down though. Here, go in here, turn, watch me turn. Gotta get this hand in. Okay, we turn clockwise. Yep, here we go. Wiggle it out. Wiggle it out and be careful because it's all brittle and old stuff here. Here it is. Got it. You gotta wiggle it out. Let's put this here. Okay. Alright. This is it. And this is the tab that Fort Boss Me in his video said that breaks really easy. And this one here can be pushed in too. Then you can pull the whole socket, the whole plug of the socket. That's the plug here. That's the socket. Pull that off. But I don't see any reason to do it if you can do it this way. I think this way is a lot easier. Look, I can even get it out one-handed here. There it is. And just like the other one, I'll probably throw that one away. And I'll put my new AUXITO one here. Just right here. Yeah. I'll plug that in. I'll see if we can do that one-handed too. I'll hold this with this hand though. It'll help a little bit. Fits perfectly. Does that zoom in? Focus on it? I don't know. I think it does it? Yeah, okay. Let's put the ignition, turn the ignition on and put it in reverse, see if the light turns on. Sometimes they have to be turned the other way so they work. I've had that before and I don't want that to happen. By the way, I saw something broken here. See this cover here? Has a crack here. But that's just plastic to make it look prettier, so it doesn't really need to be on there. So it's all good. Not gonna turn the car on, just turn the ignition on. That should be enough. Let's do it. Okay, put it in reverse. Reverse is on. And wow, that is so bright. Look at that. You see that? That is really, really bright. I mean, that blinds my eyes. Now it's beeping because I'm behind the car. And then when you look like this, look at the front. Oh wow, I cannot look in that. That's terrible. It blinds me really, really bad. Yeah, that blinds me really bad. really bad for your eyes. And this color here, I would say, is probably like a 5000. Okay, because I don't see any blue in it, and like what someone told me, it's nicer to have the 4000K or 4100, 4200. I completely agree, but for the reverse lights here, I don't care as much, so these will do. And I could talk about AUXITO before, they're pretty good. All right, let me turn the ignition off and I'll put it in. Now, to put that back in, that's something you have to fumble around there. See that little opening in there? That's your hole where the bulb needs to go in. Trick is to put it in the right way so that these here match up with the openings inside here, inside there. So that's the trick, to get it in the right way. So I will need 2 hands to hold this down, to put it in, and you have to have small hands to get in here. It's a little bit unfortunate the way that's made. I wish this would come off really easy, but it does not. And these tabs should come off easy. They don't, and I'll force that back in so that we can't notice that it's broken. Yeah, we'll put the camera down again and I'll put it in and we'll see the result. And that went in pretty quick. That went smooth. I put it in my hand, held this down. Now, see that gap? I'll try to push this in again. There you go. It's in pretty tight. See, the gap is pretty good. I think they always come like this from the factory. They're not built that perfect. Looks good to me. Everything looks good here. I'll do a visual inspection. Nothing in the trunk. Yeah, it looks great. I have the keys in the car now, so I have to close it from inside or just by my hands. Okay, let's make a test. Let's turn all the lights off and then we'll see how good they shine in the dark. Go out this way. That is great in my eyes. I think this is like a flashlight. I mean, really, really good. I mean, I'm really excited. I like those reverse lights. They are much, much brighter than stock and much brighter than the other cheaper ones that I had before. So AUXITO lights, yes, I do approve. They are good lights. Quality is good. And if you want some AUXITO bulbs, please look at the description of the video. You will get a discount if you order them through my link. And if you want a discount code, that one is on my description as well. So go ahead and check that out and order yourself some AUXITO light bulbs if you want to. Don't have to, it's up to you. All right, guys, I really enjoyed doing this. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll thank you for watching and see you soon for the next video. Have a great day.